Here are 3 ways, easy ways to double, maybe even triple your chances of getting published in a publication on Medium. Number 1 is to cite journal articles, scientific journal articles in your Medium post. You can go to Google and just Google scientific journals. There's a whole Google subsection of their website where it's just all about journal articles, and you can find all kinds of great scientific data journal articles to back up your points. This is going to help you get into publications. Small, medium, and large publications want you to do this. Secondly, what you need to do is to cite other popular and powerful websites that are not small but are recognized, like the New York Times, like the federal government, like big websites that almost anybody would recognize, know, and believe in, trust. It's about building trust and credibility to make sure that what you're saying in your Medium articles is supported by evidence. This is an easy way. These are two easy ways to double and triple your chances of getting published in publications. So cite scientific journals, also cite other strong websites that people trust. Then use it to back up your articles. Avoid backing up articles or trying to back up your articles with websites like Wikipedia. That's not a scientific website. Yes, it's a giant website that most people know, but it's not that credible. It can be very, very wrong. So you want to back up your evidence, back up your points in your articles with big websites that have credibility and trust baked right into them, because then you can borrow their credibility and prove your statements in your article. Okay, the third way that you can double and triple your chances of getting into a publication is to write something unique, to have unique and practical, specific advice. Because if you're just saying the same thing that every other blog post or article is saying, it's going to be boring. It's not going to be original. So the first 3 to 5 things you think of about your topic, try to throw those away or find a very unique twist to how you're going to detail that particular point. Come up with something original, something that most people wouldn't think of. Make a list of your top 10 things and only pick your 3 to 5 best and most original points to put in your article. That's going to make your article original, more compelling read for your audience, and it's going to make publications more likely to accept you. So those are 3 ways, quick and easy ways to double and maybe even triple your chances of getting into almost any Medium publication. I hope you got some value out of this quick video. If you got value out of this video, please consider liking it. That really does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps other people find my content. Please also consider subscribing. I really, really value your subscription to my channel. I want to stay in touch and I want to help and offer as much advice as I can as I grow in my Medium knowledge and in my Medium information that I can share with you. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you at the next one.